Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you then take off the case of your device if you have one on, and the tray is located on the top left side of the device. So let's grab our tool, and from here you want to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. Now on the tray we have space for two different SIM cards and one SD card. Now if you planning to use two SIM cards, obviously you can occupy both of them. If you're planning to use just one, you can put your SIM card on either one of these trays. It doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna pop mine on here, and here I have the SD card. The SD card would go like this, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna take it out though. Anyway, from here you want to insert both of these cards into your device. Do it carefully. Sometimes these cards could pop out, so if the tray isn't going in there easily, then don't force it in. And you can see that it just connected to network, so I have reception right now. And same would go with the SD card. Once you pop it in, it should automatically start working without any additional steps needed. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.